안녕, 친구들. You know, Korean loves to sprinkle sesame seed on top of every dish, right? They make food scrumptious, but sesame is a seed, meaning you cannot digest them unless you crush them. Also, the flavor and fragrance will get richer and stronger when you crush them. Of course, you can crush them with mortar and pestle. But I can grind them very easily with this pepper mill. How about that? For me, I'm using sesame almost every day, so this pepper mill is way much easier than mortar and pestle. For decoration use, you can use the whole sesame seed, but for nutrition and taste, please follow my instruction and grind them from today. For more information, click the title of this video, see the description. Alright, God bless you all. Bye. 안녕.